Today we're gonna bring something exciting. So those that own a lake or little pond or something that you have a lot of koi fish or any kind of fish, you know that they need to get some sort of oxygen in there. So they need to circulate the water too also. So today we're gonna bring a great product. It's a solar panel pump. So this is great for those that have a little small pond or maybe a water fountain that has additional fishes in there. This is something to keep them alive and also to keep the actual water clean too. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, so today we have the product. We're gonna open it up, unbox it here on the front of the little lagoon. We have these connections. These are actually a little heavy weights, so it could keep the oxygen levels on the bottom of it so you could keep pumping them. They give you additional screws. A mount that you can mount anywhere pretty much. You could screw it up against a wall or any kind of fixtures that you have. But today we're gonna do the stake, all right? We're just gonna do it on the floor near the water, kind of where it could retain some solar or some sun. You have the instructions, the whole unit itself, and then you have the actual solar panel and the pump that's gonna push the air out. So that's what we're gonna end up using, all right? Solar panel is easy to set up. All you gotta do is slide it in. We have the solar panel. We could turn it on. We could change the modes, on and off, and power. So today we're not gonna turn it on yet until we put it in the water. Long cable, look at that, long cable. We're gonna put the pump in there, set it up. Now we're gonna set up the stone. This is the weight stone that actually circulates the air, right? Make sure you pump it in there. And it's pretty much a weight too, so it's gonna go down the water. Put it in there, and that's pretty much it. We stake this to the ground, anywhere near the water if you want. Keep your pump near it. We'll put the pump near it as an example. We're gonna throw the rock stone in there, all right? We're gonna turn it on. And we have the stone with the water in there. If you guys can see it, it's pumping up oxygen, getting all the oxygen levels higher. Any kind of fishes that you have in your lake or your pond, or this is not for large lakes, all right? These are for small ponds, and you need a couple more of these. But look at this, it's perfect. You have the solar panel, you got your air circulating through there. Your pump, you need to be aware that you need to keep this away from the water, so they give you enough slack to put it anywhere. All right, so if you guys own something like this is perfect for those that don't want to worry about electrical or any kind of wiring that you have to do. This is a perfect environment. You could set these up throughout your lake, throughout your little ponds, even on your water fountain. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.